Hey, what's up? Today we're going to take a look at what a stock airbox looks like inside an R32 GTR. So this particular car is stock 8271 on our website, if you're interested. And this is basically what the stock airbox looks like. Pretty simple. It's got a couple of snaps here, and a couple located underneath. Since it's twin turbo, there actually are two pipes which are not visible from the top. You got one here, the other one is underneath somewhere down there that feeds the other pipe that goes to the other turbo, and one pipe filtering air into the intake itself. See another snap underneath here. Couple of markings from Japan. Couldn't tell you what that says. Got some dates, it looks like, and mileage. Maybe the last time that filter was changed. And all in all, that is a stock intake box.
Montu Motors is thebomb.com.
Would I recommend Montu Motors? Absolutely.
I would definitely recommend Montu Motors.
Absolutely, I'd recommend Montu.
I couldn't be happier with my purchase from Montu Motors.